As we're clearing up, nice to see those puddles drying up. The work week ended really with a washout, but will the weekend be the same way? Let's hope not. Let's get over to Elise. I think we've had enough of that.
We have, right? We've had some really soggy conditions, some pretty heavy rain here this week, but things are improving dramatically this afternoon. I mean, yes, we still have a few clouds for sure. This is a live look outside from our camera atop the Empire State Building. Right now, it's mostly cloudy, 69 degrees, but we are seeing a little bit of sunshine, and that's something we could not say this morning. So temperatures range from the low 60s to the mid 70s. We're at 76 for Sparta and for Edison, with Central Park at that 69-degree temperature. Dew points also in the 60s for a lot of locations, but where the drier air has already worked in, those dew points are dropping down to 49 for Monticello, 59 for Poughkeepsie. So as that dry air works its way east across the tri-state area, the dew points will be falling. Now, the dew point change is already fairly significant, right? I mean, it's 3 degrees down in 3 degrees lower in New York City, but 17 degrees lower from Monticello. So that that drier air will be pushing its way across, and it will start to feel more comfortable, a little less soupy out there. And overall, this weekend, we're going to see dew points in the 50s, so feeling more invigorating, not so much sticky. It'll be actually really nice. Here is on satellite and radar where we stand right now. You can see we've had a lot of significant clearing. Still some clouds, especially across parts of Monmouth and Ocean counties. As we take a big picture look, you can see that this area of low pressure has moved offshore. That is helpful. Cold front well to our south. We still have to leave in at least a slight chance that we could see an additional shower this afternoon, but for most of us, it will be drier this afternoon, and conditions will be much, much nicer. We have our eye on the tropics, so potential tropical cyclone number 1. We're still watching that. Right now, 40-mile-an-hour winds moving northeast at 5 miles an hour. The big issue with this, a huge rain-making event is what it already is. You can see across South Florida, we're seeing some rain, but also some thunderstorms and some very heavy downpours. This system is going to move directly across South Florida. The center of circulation is. And so we've got a couple days here where we have to deal with this rain, and it's going to be, as I mentioned, very significant rain. Of course, we typically concern ourselves beyond what happens in places like Florida. Will it move up the coast? This one doesn't look to. It looks to move out to sea. So not really an issue for us, but of course we continue to keep our eye on the tropics overall now that it is hurricane season. I mentioned a slight chance for showers this afternoon, and this Futurecast model shows you at 2 o'clock that slight chance. Things do dry out tonight, and as we head through your weekend, we're actually going to see mostly sunny skies and mild temperatures. Your first alert 7-day forecast, you see it there, 78 degrees today with brighter skies this afternoon and a beautiful warm weekend. Mary?
Oh, what a stretch of weather. Elise, thanks so much.